Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an online store with BigCommerce, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the BigCommerce website. Click on the Get Started button. Fill out the sign up form with your email address and choose a password. Select a unique store name that represents your brand. Once you've created your account, you will be directed to the BigCommerce dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Next, navigate to the store design section. Choose a theme that aligns with your brand's identity. Customize your theme by clicking on Customize Your Design. Adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to match your branding. After adjusting your design, save the changes. Now, go to the Products tab on the dashboard. Click on Add Product to start listing your items. Fill in all necessary fields, including product name, description, and pricing. Ensure to upload high-quality images of your products. Set inventory levels and shipping details for each product. Once done, click Save to publish your product listing. Next, navigate to the Settings section. Configure your payment processing options by selecting your preferred payment methods. Complete the shipping settings to define shipping rates and zones. Make sure to set up tax settings according to your location. Review the store profile settings to ensure all information is accurate. Now, go to the Channels section to set up your sales channels. Integrate social media and online marketplaces if desired. Once everything is set, head to the Launch section. Review all essential settings for your online store. Click on Launch Store to make your store live. Finally, promote your store through social media and digital marketing. Monitor your sales and adjust your strategies as needed for growth. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.